A word of caution has been sounded to the member states of the Pan American Health Organization Paho against beating to Haste a retreat from the COVID-19 prevention protocols. Many of the governments of the Caribbean, anxious to return to normal times, are dismantling some of the key measures designed to keep COVID-19 numbers under control. But according to Paho's director, Dr. Carissa Etienne, the relaxation of some of the protocols exposes the populations of these nations to a resurgence in the virus, particularly given the low vaccination rate in many parts of the region.
Over the last few weeks, many countries and territories in the Americas have scaled back public health measures, and some have done so prematurely. As travel restrictions have loosened, case counts have risen in places that rely on tourism, especially in parts of North America and the Caribbean, where vaccination coverage is low.
The Caribbean is one of the most tourism-dependent regions of the world, so following 2 years of COVID-inspired lockdowns and other restrictions, the region is anxious to get the mainstay of their economy up and running. The director of Paho, Dr. Carissa Etienne, is advising that decisions related to the pandemic be guided by the data.
It is important to continue to rely on data as our eyes and ears into this pandemic. And just as we did before, we must adjust our strategies when cases rise to save lives.
The Paho director rolled out a series of recommendations to member states, among them a robust testing regime. Paho wants testing for COVID-19 to be widespread and freely available.
Countries must keep testing capacity in place so we do not go into this next wave blind. This means making tests easily accessible for everyone everywhere, to prevent new outbreaks and to prepare our health systems if cases surge.
The Pan American Health Organization is concerned that member states, in their haste to get life back to normal, may be dismantling the protocols far too quickly, allowing opportunities for the resurgence of the COVID-19 virus. Stanley Lucian for the HTS News Force.